Let us promote our indigenous arts and crafts. Together we stand for a healthy Manipur haiba thimda Thoubal Okram Wangmatabada Leba New Era Higher Secondary School ge Chayol Amachupna Chatharakiba Nipalak Suba New Era Week 2025 kasi Lushinduna Tongan ba mana mathumsing yanthokpagi thauram school asigi auditorium hall da pangthokre thauram aduda Deputy Commissioner Thoubal Hana Kamai IAS na athoiba mithung New Era Higher Secondary School ge advisor su oiriba DM University ge Associate Professor Dr. AK Bhojena thauram mapu aduga Board of Secondary Education Manipur ge Secretary S. Jityalal Sarmana khanaba mithunglen oina saruk yakhi thauram ge saruk ama oina ngasigi mithunglen singna school adugi Nipan Suba magazine khongthang phongkhibaga loinana kumsing lisingani tara tagi hauraduna chahi kudingi leptana pangthoktuna lakpagum chatliba chahi lisingani kunmanga asigi su tha asigi tara humdoi dagi tara fauba chayol ama chupna tongan ba hiram nifu manga mukna kangjai thangta marum konbi khulokpi clay sculpture kauna craft na chingba mahusagi masana kaya amadi khutsa haibagi lam kaya da school asigi blue house green house red house amadi white house ki mahairo singna changdam nakhi thauram gi sarukama oina handak chahi gi kosem na loba higher secondary examination 2025 da school asigi makok mathang tarakhrabasing subject topper amade NEET 2025 Paurakhraba Mahairoi Singda Memento Certificate of Honor Amade School Asidagi Haukiba Mahairoi Ningthauzam Sophia Devina DM University ki Physics Department ki oina MSc First Class First Taduna Gold Medal Laurakhrabidasu Khudol Sing Piduna Pukning Thawatki Loinana Inspire Award Fangkraba School Asigi Mahairoi Singdasu Memento Certificate of Honor Amade Selgi Mana Piduna Pukning Thawatki Handak pangthokhiba first term examination 2025 da top 10 tarakhraba class 9 10 amade 12 ki mahairo sing amade best student of the year 2025 ki mingthol phangkhraba mahairo sing dasu mana mathum piduna pukning thogatki chahi sigi oina khwaidagi lunan ba classroom taduna chahi gi oina Mr. Era 2025 ki mingthol phangkhraba sorokhaibam Prithviraj amade Miss Era 2025 mingthon phangkhrabi yumkhaibam Tamisha amade first runners up second runners up takhraba mahiroi pumnamakpusu mana mathum piduna pukning thogatki Nipalak Suba New Era Week 2025 ki oina house runners up tarakhraba White House amadi overall champion takhraba Green House da thoidok hendokpa mana mathum piduna pukning thogatki thauram asigi saruk ama oina school asigi mahairo singna makhal mathel kaya gi cultural gi oiba jagoi isai thangta na chingba kaya uttuna miyam gi pukning chingsinki
and I believe that there would be sustainability of progress and growth both in education sector and in sports, in culture and in literacy. The lighting of the candles with the students showcasing the different cultural identity shows that with the diversity of our culture, of our ways of life, we still have unity, and that bond of unity with the lighting of candles shall create more awareness and a stronger and deeper sense of love, honor to each other, respect to each other, and the bond of unity among all of us, among all the community, irrespective of our differences in religion, differences in culture, differences in our thoughts. Aduna aikhoigi unity, sense of unity do, let all the younger generation, let all the boys and girls of this school shall carry forward with the light, with the ignited mind. Advanced technology. Let us all try to adapt with the availability of technology, and I would like to encourage all the students to make use of the technology in a progressive and in a better way so that you gain something from them. Not the technology that will mislead you. Technology, media, everything is in our fingertips. Because information, good or bad, wrong or right, everything is in our fingertips. So that information shall not mislead all the students, but the information that we get, or the idea, the knowledge that we get from the media or technology shall build you, shall mold you, shall make you become someone great in life, so that with the collective efforts and with the positive thoughts and your contribution shall make this district, shall make proud of this school, shall make this district a better district, and also your contribution, your ideas, your positive thinking shall make it progressive for the state as a whole. And the students as a student, what do you need to do? Give respect and honor to the elders, to the teachers. Let's the nation, the society, community, district, Manipur, they are demanding you. They are demanding for your contribution. They are demanding for your ideas to build the Manipur together as stronger and progressive Manipur. Noibu demand focus on your dreams, and one day you will become someone to express your ideas, to share your ideas, and make something. Your contribution shall make the district or the state government grow. Be it in business or be it in any profession, there is no differentiation in gender. Aduna mayam se strive for excellence, work hard, and achieve your goals.